Training AI on Ethereum that will cost you 1 million per model. Assalamu alaikum. Here's why blockchains are being rebuilt for AI. Why general blockchains fail AI. Sequential execution. No parallel training. Gas fees make compute storage unaffordable. EVM cannot handle tensor math. AI gets stuck in line. Jensen's breakthrough. Proof of learning. Verify off-chain training is legit. Graph-based compute. Train models in parallel. GNS tokens. Pay only for work that's proven. Ritual Infernet. AI optimized BM with native TensorOps. SDK for on-chain AI inference. JKO proof for output integrity. Result that matter. 100 times cheaper LLM training. 22-second inference versus 8-minute on L1. CUDA native. Tap 50,000 plus GPUs directly. AI isn't just on blockchain, it is the blockchain.